Is it moving? It's stuck on my screen. Okay. So I have my phone here if you're wondering why I'm looking down. But anyways, if you not noticed that well, this is in the future because I posted this 2 days for me, and it's now the 22nd. But Nier Automata Become as Gods, it did the number 6 episode. Had some copyright issues, if you didn't notice that in the description. This will be posted the week after that video. Or, no, 2 weeks after that video, because I already posted a week after that video. Which is a behind the play. I'm in the future. In any case, it got copywritten. Not by... actually, I can look this up on my phone and have it speak into the speaker. Who made Nier Gear Automata Become as God Edition? Okay, phone, you don't want to speak. And why are you giving me directions to the department store? What? So Platinum Games made it, but I was not copyrighted from Platinum Games. For my quick 2-second Google search, I was copyrighted by a poverty organization who is a charity organization who supports poverty for low-income countries. I don't know. I did 2 seconds of Google, and that's from what they gave me, that's what popped up, a charity organization for low-income countries. And they copyrighted me. But anyways, I just muted it as YouTube suggested. So, in order to avoid that circumstance in the future with Nier Gear, or this game, because I haven't had the trouble with any other games, and I assume because it's a very popular game, I've already recorded everything with music in, so I can't really get rid of the music. I am going to make a new sound, however, and it's a sound that most definitely will never pop up in any other series with no voices sitting behind it at all. It's a sound that I wanted to try to do that had it's going to take a bit of editing on my part, itching my nose. It's a sound that has it's based with an X sound, like an X, and then mixing that together with other sounds. So I'm going to separate the 2 parts of an X sound, which is a K and an S actually, and mix them together while adding in another sound as well. There's going to be some jump cuts because I'm going to be popping back and forth between different recording sessions so I can isolate the sound. So I'm going to stop my recording right here and start the first part of recording the sound. And I'm back. I did a cuss sound that had some reverb on it, which will play right here. I did an S sound, and then I did a weird sound. I'm going to combine all 3 of them together to make a sound together, and here's that noise. I can't actually hear anything right now, I'm just talking to a camera. I'm waiting for my editing part to put the noise in. But in any case, I hope you enjoyed the video, and like I said, I most definitely won't use this in anything else.